To address someone with respect is charity. Many of us, people work for us. We start off the morning with colorful words. You know what are colorful words? Very colorful. We start off screaming and yelling because at home we had a bit of a problem. So now we come to work and we release on who? The poor people working for us. And we know they rely on us for a salary. We pay them peanuts sometimes. It's a fact. To pay someone correctly is a charity. Allah will give you a blessing beyond the blessing because you paid them correctly. This person, I have 5 workers, for example, I am earning 500,000 rands and I'm only paying them 5,000 rands. Are you following what I'm saying? How did the money come to you? Through these guys. At least give them something they can be happy and work more. Wallahi, you will make $1 million by the will of Allah. When everyone working for you is happy and excited, they will make dua for you even when you are not around. Because they know, I'm so happy, I'm working at a place where I'm paid well. My time that I have spent is acknowledged. I'm working for 15 years. Alhamdulillah, now I'm very happy I can sit at home and relax. But sometimes we, the Muslims, are guilty of underpaying people. We are guilty of not even affording them basic medical expense. Someone passes away, you know they only work for you, and you know you have the means, but you're not interested. This is the month of Dhul Hijjah that's coming up just now. You need to make sure that you revise the way you look at these things. You need to make sure you go back and revisit how you operate. Because you're not going to be able to take that money with you into the akhirah. You won't. The only way that you can take it is when you spend it in the right way. And it's written on the right side of the scale, this man spent this money. That's yours. What you did not spend is not yours. What you did not spend is not yours, even if it's in your own bank account. The reason is, as soon as you die, people are fighting for that. Someone else is fighting for it. You didn't spend it. What is yours is where the circle is complete. You earned it, you got it, you had it, you spent it, and it's gone. That's now yours. But if the circle is only half there, it's someone else's. May Allah grant us ease.